Greetings, Mark Brown. Welcome to Microsoft Basic Lesson 4. Alright, in Lesson 3 we actually look at count word, spelling and grammar, and how to translate. Right, so right here in 4, what we're going to be looking at, how to put an online photo right on the document, photo directly from your computer, how to use the word art right there. We're going to actually look at some different types of shapes. Smart art, some of you might hear the word smart art, maybe in PowerPoint and all that. We're going to show you that way. Insert pie chart, yes, some of you might familiar with it in Microsoft Excel. Yes, very important. Watermark on the document. Alright, and create an envelope. Yes, you can actually create an envelope and print it. You know, sometimes you go somewhere, you see some envelope with a print on it. I can show exactly how you can actually do that. Alright, so very important. Let us get started. Alright, the first thing I want to do with my document. So I'm going to right click right here. You notice I go down to new. I'm going to come right here. So this itself is the document. So I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to open the document. So while I open the document, definitely you see exactly what's going on. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is insert a photo from off online. Alright, so the first thing you wanted to do is come right up at the top to the insert tab and click on it. When you click on insert tab, you notice a picture, an online picture right here. You're going to click on that. Now when you click on that, alright, you notice to bring up this particular section here. You come right here, you can actually click it. You notice a blink search. You can get it personal for your OneDrive. So if I click right here, alright, I'm going to do exactly. Alright, I'm going to put an apple. Just like that. You notice I put apple. I press enter on my keyboard. Alright, very important. And if you put it right here, so these are it, just click like that. Notice it's the insert, so you're gonna click just like that, and there you go on it. So you have to right click again, come like this, and then you click behind text. Right, if you want to bring it a little smaller, now you can put the cursor right here. You can scroll it down just like that. Yes, definitely that's where you insert it online. So if you want to delete it, you just click on it, highlight, and just press delete, and that's where you get the online photo. If you notice now, we're going to take one directly from the computer. Alright, so what you wanted to do is you go right back here to insert. Now when you go back to insert, if you notice right here it's a picture. Alright, so you're going to click it. So this is going to take you directly to your desktop. Now if you notice right here, show your photo, you're going to click on that. You notice here, you show me a photo right here, click. And notice it show insert and cancel, you're going to click on insert. Now when you click on insert, you notice you come right, you realize it's not moving. So you have two options. You can right click on it, come down right here to wrap text. You can either put it in front, behind text, tap, through, tight, and all that. But not only that, you can come right up here again. You notice the same wrap text, you click, you see the same thing and all that. You click on behind text. They're going to put the cursor. You can put the cursor right here and carry along. You want to rotate it, you can put the cursor right here. Right, you notice you can rotate it just the same. Right, you want to carry it in, you can put the cursor right there and make it look smaller, just the same. But if you want to delete it, just the same, you just press the backspace, and there you go, just the same. So we're going to be looking at word art, definitely. Now we're going to click right here and insert. Now when you click right here and insert, you're going to come all the way here. You notice right here is the head and footer box, that text right down so. This is it, word art. Right, so if you click on it, it will take you directly to what you want, but I want to see option. Alright, so when you're here, you just click on the pointer, you will see option. Notice these are the different type of option that we have right here. I'm going to click right there. You notice it's a type here, text right here. So I'm going to type all about computer right here. And there you go. And that is what they call the word art. Not only that, I can come right here, I can move it, I can put it anywhere I want it. Anywhere I want it, I can actually move it. And not only that, I can actually even curve it too. But how is that possible? Alright, if you notice right here where that style, you click right there, this little A pointer. Alright, if you notice it said transform. So come all the way down here, so it said transform. You notice as soon as I put it on it, you notice it start to curve so far. Alright, if you notice all of that coming right there, just the same. Come it down, just the same. Alright, and if you want to see curve some more, you can actually put the cursor right here and drag it down some more. You notice as soon as I drag it down some more, you notice it start to curve some more. Yes, very important. Right, and definitely if you wanted to move it, just put the cursor right here and just drag it in the middle just like that, and there you go. So that's a simple way you can actually use the word art to curve text and all that. Very cool. So we're going to be looking at smart art. Now we're going to click on insert. Now we click on insert. Now what you're looking at for, you notice smart art. So you're going to click on smart art right there. If you notice it's all, this is what you see in all of it. You can actually click and see all of that. You notice you're going to click on list. This is what you see in list. So anyone at all you click on, you notice show up right over here. Process, right? If you notice, you show up right over there. Just the same. You take it to show up just the same. You notice if you go cycle, notice it show up just the same. If you go hierarchy, you notice it show up just the same. Relationship, notice it show up just the same. Metric, right here, show your pyramid. And this one I can literally add picture. Yes, do it, very important. Right, so we're going to be looking at cycle. Right, so we're going to click this one, you notice show up right here, and then click on OK. Notice when I click on OK, let me write down some more. Alright, alright, good, good. Alright, let me do that one over. Don't conflict. Alright, let me move this one out of the way. Alright, let me highlight it back and then press the backspace. Alright, let's go back to smart art. Remember the one that was on cycle, and then we press on OK. Now we actually have it right here. We can click right here and add the text, but we don't have to do that. You come right at the edge, you notice the cursor will come and look on, and just click it, and notice to bring up this section right here. Right, I'm going to type. You notice as soon as I type, you notice in the right over here, I can click. If you press enter, you're going to add an extra one. Right, and each time at a time I type, you notice. Alright, notice. Good. If you notice all of that, I can come right here and close it. But if you notice up here, if I put the cursor up here, notice it actually changed. If I put the cursor on this one, you notice it keep changing. Notice, keep changing, and all of that. Right? So I want it, I'm gonna change it to this one. But that only that, I can actually change the color. I can come right here and I can click. If you notice, I can actually change the color, just like that. Not only that, I can come right here and give it some style, but I want to come right a little pointer here. You notice these are some different style now. So for each time I put the cursor on it, just look how exactly how this come. Notice, and that's the way it come like that. That's it. You notice, very important. So this is one way you can actually put your either lesson or you're making a point or something. Can actually, alright, I'm going to make this one just the same, right? So if you notice exactly how it look now, yes, very important, right? So this is how you can actually use smart art in your Microsoft Word document right here. Notice right here now, it's the insert pie chart. How is it possible that I can insert pie chart? Alright, this is insert, right? If you notice right here is a chart, you're going to click on it. Notice you click on chart, you notice right here column, and this is what the column look like. If I click on line, you notice this is what line look like. If I click on pie chart, that's pie chart. If you notice, that's bar chart, right? Area, all of them. If you want stack, surface, just the same. But what you pay attention to is pie. When you click on pie, you notice right up here, you can actually select the one that you want to click. So when you click on it, immediately going to bring up my Excel sheet. Why? Because there's some information that you're going to actually put on. Alright, so notice right here, you can actually edit this yourself. Right? So if I come right here and I close it, right, you notice what it's going to show you right down here. But what I can do, I can actually right click. You know, when I right click, you see all of these stuff right here, so edit data. Right, if I come right here, say edit data, if you notice, say edit data, I can edit the data. Come right here, say add data label, right, just notice, I can add data label. So if I click on data label, you notice, you add it definitely on it, right, and I can put the cursor right here. I can actually carry it a little smaller if I want, right, so this definitely, you actually have the pie chart here. Alright, so very important. So we actually insert the pie chart and things. So next you wanted to add watermark to the document. Yes, this one is very ticklish to a lot of person. Right, so sometimes you actually see a document with watermark in the background. The only thing that you have to do, right, you know, to come right up here, click on design, you go to the far right. You notice you mark up watermark, so you're gonna click on it. Now when you click on it, you notice it bring up several stuff. If you notice, some of them will show you say confidential, some of them say don't copy, and right here you can have a custom one. Right, if I click on this one, say add a copy. Right, let me scroll up. Alright, it's in the background, but it's dull. Let's go back again. Alright, let me close this. Alright, let me try the custom one. Now when I try the custom one, this is what comes up, right? Right here. Alright, text, you notice. Say do not copy. Alright, I'm going to put a color to it and just make it look brighter that I can literally see. And then I'm going to click on apply. If you notice right here, you see it says don't copy right here, right? But I'm going to move it from auto and carry it up to 48 and apply. You notice, well, that is too small. Let me click down to about 70 or 80, apply. If you notice right up here, 80 again, let me see 96. Right, if you notice right up here, say don't copy, but I can actually come right in, so I can actually change that. Right, I can say all about computer, just like that. I can actually change the font if I want right here. Yes, can go back again. I can actually change the size, put it 72 and click on apply. If you notice, it show all the way out here, right? But if I want to take it back in a little, I'll put it on 66 and then click on apply again. Notice it's right in, so I'm going to close it. Right, and if you notice on the document, you actually see it all about computer. Yes, so that's exactly how you actually do it. If you notice, you come like this, you can't edit it. Notice, you cannot edit it. Yes, so in order for you to edit this, you have to go right back to where the watermark, right? And then definitely you click on this and you come right here, so you can actually edit it back. Very important here, right? But what if you want to put a picture one there instead? I don't think you have to come back right here, right? And you click back on the custom one. Right, notice it's a picture right here. You notice when I click right here, it says select. So I'm going to select. Alright, you notice when you come from my file. Alright, so I'm going to select this one. I'm going to click on insert. Alright, so notice auto, I can select wash out, that it wash out the picture. I can take out the wash out. I can come right here, can actually put it. Let's see, make it stay at auto, and then press it and see exactly what's going on. You notice you see it in the background like that. Alright, if I close it, you notice you can't edit it, but yes, it's in the background. So if you have a confidential document and you don't want nobody to share it, you can actually use the photo one in the background. You notice you cannot edit it. You have to go back, you watermark it and all of that. Alright, so next you want to create an envelope. Yes, very important. So you want to create an envelope. Alright, let me show you exactly what's going on right there. Let me get a blank document. Alright, let me insert a blank. Alright, let's use up this blank one for that purposes. Alright, alright, so this is everything in the background. Alright, so what I wanted to do is to come right here, say mailing. A lot of person using Microsoft Word don't even touch this here. When you touch mail, come all the way to your left. Notice it's an envelope. Now when you click on envelope, definitely what you will see definitely appear right here. Definitely as on different style and different option, right? And all that. Or you're going to actually see come up. Alright, there you go. But if you notice this style box, you can actually move it to where you want it, right? So you notice right here, say deliver address, I say the home address. Alright, so if I put 33 Amos close, right, I'm gonna put KNG, and that is 11, right? But if you notice here says the return address. So if I put something here and then I put Pine Road, then I want to put the Kingston, right, and I put the same level, right? So anything you see it appears it are going to show on the envelope. So notice this is in the envelope, but if you notice right here what is show, I'm going to click on it. So when you're going to put the envelope in the printer, you want to notice this, you see when it's like the face turned down, what exactly how it look like. If you notice this one here, which way you want to print it, you want to print it directly in the middle. This is the one you have to press. Definitely. You want to press with the face up, you do the same thing. Alright, so definitely if I click on this, definitely this is what it would look like. But if you want to print it directly, you just print it right here. Put it right here, press print. But I want to add it to the document so that I can see exactly what's going on. So if I click it, right, you notice it asks me if I want to see a return address. Right, so I save that so in case I want another example. Alright, if you notice, what I have right here, this is a delivery address, you notice? So this definitely can actually print this. Alright, so definitely it is that you don't have to type and all of that. So it's very important. Yes, you actually come right here and you select, right, you can actually change the feed if you wanted to change. You can say face up, you know, so it is face up, right, you notice it change. If I come like that and I click, you notice everything changed. So based upon you see it, I put it directly like that in the printer. Alright, so this is exactly how it works out. So thanks for watching. See you in part 5.